Bonjour, bienvenue à l'École Bishop Savaryn Catholic Elementary School. We proudly offer the French Immersion Program for students in kindergarten to grade 6.
We are excited to show you our school and to share why learning an additional language is so meaningful to us. Come with us on our tour.
École Bishop Savaryn is located in Castle Downs and provides a Catholic French immersion education to all families living in Northwest Edmonton. French immersion is specifically designed for children who come from non-French speaking families. It's a program where every child can succeed. Families will receive resources to help with homework, and any communication between home and school is in English.
Kindergarten is the perfect starting point for language learning. In these play-inspired classrooms, students build foundational skills while being gently introduced to the French language. They spend their time learning key phrases, listening to stories, singing songs, and developing an ear for French. Before they know it, they are following directions and speaking in French. I didn't even know I was learning it. It was just so easy, and then suddenly I could speak French. Beyond language learning, students also develop social skills, independence, and confidence in a nurturing environment. By the end of the year, families are always amazed by how much French their child has learned.
Our school is grounded in a faith-based learning environment and follows Catholic traditions, which helps build a strong sense of community. We have close relationships with St. Charles Parish and have regular visits from the deacon as part of our shared commitment to faith and community. We participate in social justice projects and engage our community in Catholic social teachings to build awareness and share our many blessings.
At Bishop Savaryn, our school offers an exciting introduction to the world of music in both French and English. Music is also an excellent way to learn a language. We sing, we create, and we dance. Our school choir typically has over 60 students, and we love to share our beautiful voices in the community. We performed at City Hall and La Cité Francophone.
The gym is an exciting space where we come together to play games, practice different sports, and build teamwork skills. It's not just about having fun. It's also where we learn how staying active supports our physical and mental well-being.
We are super lucky to have brand new Chromebooks, and we love to use them for project-based learning and various assignments. We are learning about digital citizenship and how to use technology responsibly.
Our bibliothèque is packed with great books in both French and English. Students visit our library once a week to pick out books to take home and foster our love of reading. J'adore lire.
Being a kid isn't always easy, and our school understands that. There are a variety of resources that promote positive mental health, like our student wellness leadership group and our sensory room called the Piazza.
We celebrate our God-given gifts and talents through a variety of different clubs offered throughout the year, such as sports, music, prayer, technology, all in French. Our teachers are creative and provide engaging opportunities for us to put our language skills to use in a social setting. C'est toujours amusant.
Being outdoors has so many benefits. We have a beautiful outdoor classroom to spark our curiosity and to deepen our connection with nature. This complements our learning about First Nations, Inuit, and Métis worldviews and cultures. We also have a new playground. It is so much fun.
As a school offering a language program, many of our families are eligible for Yellow Bus service. Bishop Savaryn YMCA Daycare is also located right outside our school and offers several different types of childcare options. Google Bishop Savaryn YMCA for more info. Well, that's the end of our tour. Thanks so much for checking out École Bishop Savaryn. We hope to see you next year.
À bientôt. Let me see you soon in French. Au revoir.